Hi and welcome to GeoFli. GeoFli allows anyone to easily change and replace website content based on visitor location. So someone visiting your website from New York will see something different than somebody visiting from Texas. So how exactly does this work? Well, here we're actually deciding what state do we want to change content for. Maybe Arizona, Idaho, or California. And that means when someone visits the site, what do we want them to see? The other option is a custom draw. So anybody visiting within this polygon that we're about to draw, anybody visiting within an IP address within that polygon, what do we want that visitor to see? So maybe there's East Coast sales or East Coast units that you know that people from the East Coast tend to be more attracted to. You could promote those different units. And finally, radius targeting. So this is where you can actually say, hey, we want to target anybody within maybe a 25-mile radius of Los Angeles. Let's zoom out just a little bit and make that 50. And our next step is to target content. And this is where there's no need to bother IT or email the web team. Simply hit start, and then anything this blue indicator hovers over, you can change. Whether it's this image or this title. Let's go ahead and change this background image. And we're going to give that content piece a name. One of the great things about GeoFli is its simplicity. So here we're just bringing in a photo directly from our desktop, Hollywood sign, and our alt text for ADA purposes, so even somebody with a screen reader can read the changed content. Now we've uploaded our image, and we can also add a link. So where do we want this image to link to? Maybe nowhere, or maybe we want it to link to a specific unit or sale. So we may not have the Hollywood sign in Fort Worth, but you're always a star at Century Colonial Park. A cool idea that now anybody from Los Angeles, when they visit Century Colonial Park's homepage, that's what they'll see. Let's go ahead and add one more piece of content for this demonstration. Again, we're just going to hit start, and we're going to highlight this header here. Did you know the average housing cost in Fort Worth is almost 4 times less than Hollywood? And so again, we're promoting different content to different segments of our population. And we're going to link up to a really cool article showing just exactly the differences between living costs in Hollywood and Fort Worth. And so now when someone scrolls down, this is what they'll see. So in under 3 minutes, we were able to easily change website content using Century Colonial Park's homepage. We look forward to hopefully talking soon, and have a great day.